Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Don't you think it's so beautiful? And a lot of you have seen my video of doing Tai Chi advertisement. So I am here to practice a little bit. And I wear as much as I have this quite neutral color and come with water, with reflection in the middle of the trees. I find it's my color is not contrast enough with the background. The background is too pretty, don't you think so? So let's just do an outfit of the day. That's a little bit too silly, don't you think so? Okay, I will not choose this pretty background. I will choose only a place where I can do my stuff. I pay too much attention to the surrounding. Anyway, anyway, I hope my shoes will not fall off. See, it's so comfortable. Okay, that's it.